In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable connection that lets your Zoom meetings and webinars flow into HubSpot, so you can track attendance, automate follow-ups, and keep your CRM tidy. Start on your HubSpot home screen. Make sure you're signed in with the HubSpot user who has permission to install apps for your portal. In the main navigation, open the Marketplace. If you see multiple Marketplace options, choose the HubSpot Marketplace, so you're browsing official integrations. Once you're there, switch over to the Apps section. This is where you can search all available apps that connect to HubSpot. Use the search bar and type Zoom. In the results, select the official Zoom integration listing. You'll land on the app page, which outlines what the integration does and what data it can sync. Take a moment to skim the overview and permissions so you know exactly what will be shared between the two platforms. When you're ready, click Install. If you manage more than one HubSpot account, confirm you're installing it in the correct portal. It helps to double-check the account name in the header before continuing. You'll be redirected to Zoom to authorize the connection. Make sure you're signed in to the right Zoom account, ideally an account with the permissions needed for your organization. Review the requested permissions carefully. These typically allow HubSpot to create and sync Zoom meetings, webinars, and attendance data. When everything looks good, click Allow to approve the connection. This step is what securely links your Zoom and HubSpot data. After authorization, you'll be brought back into HubSpot. Open your Connected Apps area and select Zoom. This confirms the app is installed and gives you access to its interface. Here, you can see connection status, view what's syncing, and locate any settings made available by the integration. If you ever need to troubleshoot, this is also where you can reauthorize or disconnect. A quick tip: if you don't immediately see past Zoom activity in HubSpot, give it a few minutes for the first sync to complete and refresh. Also, if your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them during installation to avoid interruptions. That's it. The integration is live. From here on, your Zoom activity can populate your HubSpot records, helping your team automate tasks and report on engagement with confidence. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.